Hi friends, we're back with a quick and easy way to refresh the twist out in between wash days. Okay, as you can see, her hair is very dry. It was previously twisted for 2 weeks. She wore a twist out for a few days. Now we're gonna freshen this up and retwist it all over again. Okay, here you see I started the back. I actually finished the back half of her head. She's only 3 years old, so her attention span is a little bit shorter. Although she's really good with me doing her hair, I just kind of wanted to go ahead and start the process. Because her hair was already previously twisted, it's been sectioned, so I'm just going to go right in and spray it with water. And then I'll add a little coconut oil to her strand of hair to seal in that moisture. Next, you'll see me use this aloe vera leave-in mix. And I really pretty much just apply this to the ends of her hair. That way her ends are nice and moisturized. I added some of that Pantene Gold Series buttercream, and then I'll be putting in a twist. The products we used for this twist out today will be listed below. If you have any questions regarding the products we have used for today's twist out, please leave them in the comment section and I'll be sure to respond. Okay, now that we are done twisting, I'm just gonna go ahead and style. She requested to have 2 buns, so I'm gonna go ahead and put 2 space buns in her hair for tomorrow. The fun thing about these twists is you can do many different styles throughout the week. And now to slay those edges. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to refresh the twist out in between wash day. Thanks for joining us. Stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe.